In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and modify images in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to enhance your PDF by adding images, you're in the right place. Adobe Acrobat provides a seamless way to do this, allowing you to make your documents more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. You can do this by launching Acrobat and navigating to the File menu to select your document, or simply double-clicking the PDF file if Acrobat is your default PDF reader. With your document open, you're ready to start editing. Next, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on All Tools, which is conveniently located at the top left corner. Clicking this will reveal a broad array of tools that Acrobat offers. If you don't immediately see the tool you need, don't worry. Simply click on View More. This step ensures you have access to the comprehensive list of available options. Once you've clicked View More, look for the option that says Add Rich Media. Clicking on this option will bring up elements you can embed into your PDF, including images. Selecting Image from this menu is your next task. This will open up a dialog box, allowing you to locate and choose the image file you want to include in your document. Now navigate through your directories to find the specific image you want to add and click Open. To position your image within the PDF, you can either drag it directly onto the page or double-click the desired location where you want it to appear. This feature ensures precise placement within your document to match your layout intentions. Once your image is on the page, adjusting its size couldn't be simpler. Click and drag the corners of the image to resize it to your liking, either making it larger or smaller depending on your design needs. This flexibility allows you to maintain the visual harmony of your PDF. With the image placed and sized accurately, take advantage of the Edit panel located at the left side of your screen. Here you'll find Adjust Object tools. These tools enable further customization of your image. You can flip the image, rotate it, and if needed, even crop it. This suite of features allows you to achieve the exact look and orientation needed for your document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently enhance your PDF documents with images, giving them an extra layer of depth and professionalism. Whether you're preparing a report, a presentation, or any other type of document, adding and modifying images can make a significant impact. Thanks for following along, and happy editing with Adobe Acrobat.